I'm Akanksha Bhargav and I'm the CEO of Team Relocations Private Limited. We are into relocations and we look after people moving overseas within India and across the world. Our single motto is to ensure that when people relocate, they should absolutely feel comfortable and they should not have any challenges. We wish to make it absolutely hassle free, hence, we not only just move household goods but we also help them find a house, settle them down, do cultural orientation, do a city orientation, and make them feel at home. Relocation has always been very close to my heart because I stepped into it as my family business 12 years back, and it just seems that I always belonged here, and it's absolutely something that I enjoy every day. So I genuinely believe this, that after a point of time, people just stop bothering, and that's the real problem. You know, when we really achieve what we've got out there for, and we realize some of our dreams, we really forget sometimes what what made us go through. You know, what was a journey at some point of time. I mean, it can happen to anybody. I've spent 12 years at work, and there are days when I feel that I probably could have done, should have done something else, and probably I want to do something else. And I think a lot of people like me feel the same out there. But when you love something a lot and you really value your journey and you really believe that this is what you've been born to do, you really will hold on to everything. And customers are one of those things. Customer grievances, customer issues, customer challenges is something that I think any top leader should really keep it close to their heart, and we should always care, because it is very natural to get out of the system, have teams to do things, have your juniors, have teams, and you don't want to micromanage. I get it, but I think at the end of the day, what matters is the body language, the feeling towards it, and somewhere down the line, you know it when you stop caring. So we should always be on top of things. So in our space, it's obviously a very unorganized sector. I mean, today entering an exit barrier in a relocation space is just nothing. Even honestly, a security guard can also call for laborers and become a packer. So it's that basic. Hence, it becomes even more challenging to educate a customer and let them know that why are you different and why should you be chosen over somebody else. Hence, I think the way we've positioned our brand in terms of our client experiences, we obviously talk about it. We obviously keep it out there. When my sales team goes out there to meet a customer, we definitely carry tools and videos and photographs and media and our media coverages to entice somebody and let them know that why they should be working with us. So at the end of the day, yes, we do have a lot of stuff that has happened in our history of the organization to talk about, and that's what we take pride in. And hence, a customer chooses us over a certain competition. I believe that we will try making it even more, because I believe the difference should be there, because there are companies like us who really invest in people and resources and processes that should be given that kind of a respect, and people should choose that over somebody who's not in line with processes, because it's your belongings and those are very expensive belongings, and one makes a house in their lifetime. So we obviously educate our client that yes, we should be the right company they should move with. I've always said that the only reason why somebody should use us or move with us is because we are somebody who believes in personalized service, who believes in really understanding and empathizing with clients when they move, and keeping your belongings as ours. It's not about the price always, it's not about the cheapest, it's about somebody who really takes care of you when we are that brand. CX factor in our business, in our industry, is of prime importance. The only reason why a customer chooses a certain organization to move their household belongings is because they believe that they would have a delightful experience with that company, and that's exactly what we wish to do, and we've been doing for all these years. So when I stepped in, I realized the whole space is based on how a customer chooses or how a customer feels when they relocate, and hence the growth has happened because we've done a lot of R&D, and a lot of efforts has been put into ensuring that the customer has a delightful experience. For example, when I stepped in, I realized that when a customer moves to their home, they're absolutely worried and they're stressed, they're tensed. So we always greet them with a cake which says "Welcome to your new home." So when somebody, and in our Indian tradition, it's always nice to welcome somebody with sweets, right? So we are their first friend, we are the first people they actually interact with. Hence, we've made that as a very important USP of dealing with our customers. We've developed a lot of stuff into our packing material to ensure we give them a delightful experience. We have specific wardrobe cartons where somebody can hang their clothes and they don't have to fold it and keep it. We also have specific boxes for tools. We also have specific boxes for toys, and so and so forth for other items. We also have tied up with few NGOs. One of them is very special to my heart, which is the Toy Bank. So when somebody relocates, they are usually discarding their stuff, and most importantly, if they have children, they really discard their toys and everything. So we put them all together and we ship it out to underprivileged children in slum areas. So that has really kicked off very well, and I think the clients feel very much part of the whole experience of like bringing a smile to a child that they would not know probably. The most important activity that we did to ensure that we hear our customers, in fact the management gets to hear the customers, is having a review on Facebook. So the moment a job is done, email is fine, reports are fine, but today people are hands on social media. So we have a barcode that they can just use, and they can just log on and they can review us. So we have about 225 reviews on Facebook. So that helps us really understand what the client has expected from us. And lastly, as an organization, the management has their details and telephone numbers on the website. So if there is anything that somebody needs, we're very approachable, and that's something which I think any service industry needs to be very, very focused on, that people should be able to reach out to you. So for me, the CX factor has always been that if my client has a problem and they have a situation and they need support, or they have to share something, they should be able to reach out to me. That's why I have been so active on all social media handles, and I hope we spread more smiles around and we help more people relocate and keep adding value to people when they move. I've often seen people talking about the idea of a customer service department and a customer service team that handles customer issues or customer experience. But for me, I've always believed that everybody who's part of PMR is a brand ambassador and has to make sure that they delight the customer. Even if there is somebody who picks up the call at my reception, has to have that little extra edge to ensure that the client feels that they're very important to us. So our customer experience starts from the time somebody calls you, or somebody looks at your brand online, or meets somebody who talks about your brand, till the time they use your brand and successfully get settled in their new home. So for me, it's always been a very important aspect of my training, of my hiring, of my building people, that it's not just about a department's job, but it's something that is a value of the organization, that we have to protect the brand. We have to make sure that the clients refer to us at any point of time, even if it's just XYZ person in the organization. So anybody and everybody who is in touch with a customer, or even a supplier for that matter, has to have that body language which talks about a delightful experience for a customer, because at the end of the day, we are all here to ensure that the clients remember PMR. So for me, it's not one department, but it's everybody in the organization who's a brand ambassador for PMR.